Okay, so our next guest is a talented photographer who has decided to speak her truth by reinforcing her black and our black identity. Joining us this morning, photographer of Thai Images, Donette Mason. Good morning to
Hello.
you. Thank you for being here with us
No
on
problem.
Smile this morning, creating a little bit of waves with your images, and you hope to do more.
Right.
Can't wait to hear about this black magic shoot you
Well,
have planned.
I
Don't
mean,
tell me about it yet.
okay.
Don't tell me about it yet. Tell me first a little bit about your journey with
Well,
photography, because you're really a tourism and hospitality management student.
right.
So,
How it,
okay, so, yeah.
I mean, I fell in love with photography in high school, you know, through a partner to get my first camera and all of that. And I mean, I've always seen moments where I wish I could freeze them. So, everybody wish that they had this remote that they could just click and pause the moment. But then I'm like, there's cameras though. So I got into it to say, freeze memories and have them to look back at and smile or cry or whatever it is. It's just capturing the emotions of
So
persons.
from as young as when you were throwing the partner in primary school, you say?
No, high school.
High school.
Right.
This is the way you framed it. You wanted to be able to freeze.
Freeze moments.
That's really profound for
It is.
a young person's mind. Okay, so you got the camera.
I
and
did.
Then what happened?
And then I just started going around my mom's garden and just going around taking pictures of people at school. And it was just one of those things that I was like, yes, finally I'm able to freeze this moment. If my dog is running around in the yard, I'm like, hey, come here. So
Everybody started to become a model. Yeah.
There you
I'm
go.
looking at your pendant and I'm like, this is really into photography because you're wearing a camera around your neck.
right.
So why tourism and hospitality?
I've apart
And not
from
photography then.
well,
as a
apart
full course of
from
study.
to be honest, I started out in construction, then went into tourism, but at the end of the day, photography was always there.
Yeah.
And I love entertainment, and I believe that building a brand for Jamaica, it's quite important to me. And seeing our tourists come into the country and smile and enjoy what we have to offer, and I think that we need to start enjoying what we have as a country. So I thought that I can go into photography and tourism and make it work,
Yeah.
So that was the
there
whole,
certainly is a link there. So
right,
you can
because
work on it.
I can do destination weddings
Yeah.
and, work with many different entities.
Tell me about some of the images we're looking at now.
Well-
Black magic through a lens.
Right.
There's a saying now that being a black girl is like some super exclusive club or organization that you're a
Right.
part of. Okay, that's something that we say is out there, but tell me about why you started to focus on black women, black men, melanin in particular.
Right. I mean, we're in a time where we're seeing violence increase against black people. I mean, it's been a long time, but now it's increasing, and I just think that persons need to start being proud of their complexion. Wear it with pride. Don't walk around and be like, oh, I don't like my color and I'm going to change. No, just wear it. You're beautiful no matter your skin color. Just be you and just be yourself at all times.
And you've worked with Spice on a
Right.
project.
Right. Her black hypocrisy really inspired me because a lot of when you look at it, it wasn't really out there in public. And when she brought it up, you're like, wow, this is really happening. And I've experienced colorism in the sense where I used to dance, and for auditions and all of that, you'd find that most of the lighter skinned females would get preference over the darker.
Is that right?
That is true.
Okay.
It happens. So
Here in Jamaica.
here in Jamaica, I've experienced it, so I know exactly how it feels. So I just want females to just be empowered, be you in your own skin. Don't try to be somebody else or try to look like somebody else. At the end of the day, everybody wants to be black, everybody wants to be us, so
How
why
has
not
the
just
project taken on in social? Is that where you're largely promoting it, in
Right.
the social space?
I mean, it's going crazy, and right now I'm actually coming up with a Black Magic JA project.
Yes.
So it's going around and just capturing the black melanin that is rich in Jamaica and to just promoting it out and showing people that we as Jamaicans are beautiful individuals, no matter our skin color, but I just love my melanin individuals.
But you're also getting into other types of photography.
Right.
So you're doing
Portraits,
weddings, you're doing
weddings.
maternity
Right.
shoots.
Maternity being my favorite.
Is it?
It is. It is. You know, just seeing two individuals come together to make that big belly.
It's more than a belly, but all right. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's just capturing the love between the two.
Yeah.
You know, and knowing that in a couple weeks' time, a new life is coming forward.
Powerful.
So it's just one of my favorite things to do, and I just love seeing people happy. And even though I shoot funerals as well, sad moments, but at the same time, it's capturing emotions.
Yeah.
And for you to look back and say, you know.
Yeah. You're creating memories
Right.
on that piece of paper. Or no, we don't even need the paper.
We don't need paper.
Right.
It's social media.
But you're still doing your degree. You're not
Yes.
finished yet.
No, I'm not. I'm a final year student.
Okay. So when you finish with the hospitality and tourism
Right.
management degree, then you marry everything, and you're gonna have
Everything
like
coming together.
big business where you're like Pinky and you have a brain and
I
you
have
just
a
take over
brain-
the world.
Exactly.
Okay, got it. In the meantime, before you take over the world, if folks want you to do shoots for them,
Right.
where do we find you?
You can find me on social media, Thai Images, TAIIMAGES 876 on Facebook and Instagram as well. I'm coming up with a vlog. So, you know, later on you'll see me going around and you'll see behind the scenes of my shoots
Okay.
and stuff. And I'm just trying to do shoots nowadays that has meaning.
Yeah,
It sends a message.
yeah. Thai being a part of your middle name.
Right.
Which is?
Thais.
Okay, got you, girl. Do you think, lady? Do you
Thank
think?
you, thank you.
Congratulations and all the best to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, photographer of Thai Images, Danette Mason.